Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Go to the General Settings. Here, find the Transfer or Reset option at the bottom of the list. Now simply tap on it. Tap on the Erase All Content and Settings option. Tap on the Continue button. Finally, tap on the Erase iPhone option. Your iPhone will now erase all content and settings, returning it to its original factory state. And this is how you can reset your iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.